1954 BSA B31. It's called the swing arm also. Yeah, it has the shock absorbers, right? Yeah, BSA has launched this model with the shocks. Before it has the plunger and rigid one. That's why it's famous with the cross shock absorbers, or it's called swing arm model. 350cc. And the good thing is, bike is intact in the original showroom paint. Yeah, it's from 1954 only. We didn't paint, we didn't chrome. Everything is just from Birmingham, England.
1954. 54 is the same.
Yeah, it's the same.
Okay, very nice. Sir, Mansoor, can you tell any specific feature? Anything that
BSA, like its name, that's it. Because BSA stands for Birmingham Small Army. They have used these motorcycles for the BSA Birmingham Small Army, and it started with the 1911 or 1909. So they have used previously in World War bikes, and this is the civilian model, not the World War model. This is the civilian model, basically used for the civilians.
From when you started owning it?
It's with me like 4 years, 4 or 3 years.
Again, restoration cost is priceless.
Yeah, this is the priceless because it's maintaining its original beauty. So that's why it's priceless.
You
So
are plan of anything kind of grading it or
no. We are keeping like that only. Nothing like that. Because it has the original. Because it's
everything is
glory of rust. That's it.
That's why the authenticity.
Yeah.
Mansoor, if you have to buy some parts, from where you'll buy it?
Basically, we have some sources. If we didn't get from that, we order on eBay. We have some group members. We have some big collectors. They'll purchase. Yeah.
Super. Very nice.
Thank you.